Hello, we are here at Aventura Nature Adventure Park. I'm going to do a few of the circuits that they have here. As you can see, I have my harness on and people are getting ready. So in a few minutes, we're about to start. This is open. Let's come over here. Yep. Oops, it's kind of tight. No problem there. All right, ready? Let's go. Woohoo! All right, perfect. All right, so we just finished training and now I'm going to try the first one and I'm going straight to extreme.
The extreme has the Tarzan jump, it has the surfboard, it's got multiple zip lines as well. It has the rocking pegs. There are so many very challenging circuits, games on the extreme.
I need to go and climb this thing. I can't climb now because she's there. So let's wait for her to finish. This thing goes, oh, first, sorry. I dropped this, so there's some sand over there. Now open, flick it there. So that's fine. We're good to go. This is tricky because the harness sometimes gets caught up with. All right, we're through. It's really high. It's really, really high. My knees are shaking a little bit. This is what we came here for. So let's freaking do this. That wasn't so bad. Whew. Okay, so I've got log steps. As you can see, it's very high. I'm here. I'm still okay, thankfully. All right, shall we go? We go. So balance is crucial here. So, all right. All right. You should really see the view from here. Just 3 more. One more. One more. Let's grab that. Whew. This one is pretty unique. Okay. All right. Let's just keep walking. I'm holding on for my life. I'm actually using my harness to assist me. We're ziplining all the way there, about 60 meters. Ah! Woo! I'm gonna use a lot of my legs right now because my arms are spent. It doesn't seem much, but it's tough. It's scary and it's very taxing. My arms are spent a little bit. I'm gonna be using my legs from now on, but let's see. I'm confused which way to go. Extreme, extreme. All right. Oop. Okay. I had to go to the more difficult one. I had the option to do it over there, but screw that. Let me rest for a while. Whew. I'm spent. Come on, man. When they said it was extreme, they meant it. Made it! Woo! So this is the second zip line, but I'm actually standing on a longboard. So yeah, but it's okay, I can grab onto this. All right, so just grab this thing here and we should be good to go. Oh, I feel like Silver Surfer. So this is my last zip line. I'm gonna see you guys down there when we sign off. Woo! This is so much fun! Made it! So I just did the full extreme circuit here at Aventura Nature Adventure Park in Mushrif Park. There's a lot of things here, loads to do for the whole family. It's open right now, and if you want some adventure, come over. This is Dwayne Trazo for Gulf News.